Peru helicopter carrying tourists missing in south. A helicopter with foreign tourists on board has gone missing in southern Peru, police officials have said. The helicopter left the mountainous Madre de Dios region on Wednesday evening bound for Cusco, but there are no records of it having landed. According to Peruvian media, at least 14 tourists, including 12 South Koreans and 2 Austrians, were on board, as well as 2 Peruvian crew. Mountain rescue services are searching for clues to the helicopter's fate.